coming out today about a particular asset. Let's just go from the top. You have everything that came about the Australian dollar, its effects on the euro dollar, I mean the Australian dollar. You have the Eurozone economy announcement that came out early this morning. You have also U.S. Reports that are coming out. Even now, within the next hour, we have another report. The advanced retail sales. You're going to see. You can even see when you push description, it'll tell you how much it affects the market. It'll open it up. Give you description, and tell you how much it affects the market. Why I want to do that? What am I missing here? And you can, well, you see there, you have even an option to discuss it with other traders. You can find out more insight with other people's prediction or what other people think might happen. Again, these are not saying it's something to rely on, but it'll give you more as far as, other people's opinion. Not much to rely on, but again, it'll give you a more where to go with your trades. Again, you don't want to be guessing. The knowledge, this can change your trades from being just 50-50 to 60-40, 80-20. This is how I trade. Before I even open a position, 15 minutes of looking at the news, sometimes 20, depending on how much I'm going to do. And these are the reports that I'm trading on. Okay, like now I'm going to be waiting for this report to come out. It's going to be live. Listen to it while I'm trading. You'll hear Bloomberg, the CNBC analyst telling you as it's coming in. And you will see the market. You can watch it. Don't even trade. Just watch as the market go volatile and just start springing. If it's a negative report, see how far it drops. If it's a positive report, see how high it goes. You even see that, last time that the report came out, it was 1.1% positive, 0.2. So again, now you even have the forecast. That's what the forecast is. The forecast is that it will be 1.1. It will go up 1.1. You even have so that's the actual. Then you have the forecast. Then you have previous. If you see it at the top, it even give you different what the more history on a particular asset or the different news. You can use this also, and not only that, it also gives news on a particular assets that you're trading on. Again, you have news that are coming out as it's happening. You see here, you have things that are happening in Malaysia just came out. This kind of information is updated on the minute. And that down here you have, and then we'll get to the part where the chart. We'll get to this in a minute. You have now net down here, because you're trading binary options. Okay, if you cannot hear me, then let me know. I'm seeing here that the quality of the audio dropped, so let me know if this is the kind of problem. Now, because you're trading binary options, you only have a small time frame or a small chart to trade on. As far as the market is concerned, you have like only an hour chart, and most professional traders or forex traders, we trade with day, 5-minute charts all day, 10-minute charts, 15-minute charts. It gives you all the information. Right now, let's say we're going to that down here. You have here the Euro USD. You have a chart here for the last few days. You can see the support and the resistance. When I say the support and the resistance, the highest mark and the lowest mark, which the market has been today, that you can actually see the day's low, the week's low, the week's high. Okay, you can pretty much, with these charts, they give you a more feel of the currency that you're trading or the asset that you're trading. You can choose any chart when you're trading with when you're using NetDaniel as your external news provider, things like that. When you have gold, you can, again, it gives you a more accurate readout of the particular chart that you're trading on, so that you can even widen it, again, to pretty much get like a day. You can even change the time where you want it, a day, a minute, as far as the style of how long do you want to see. Okay, and here you can have more instruments, to be able to add whatever asset, whatever stock market or stock asset that you want to use. That's NetDaniel. So it's highly recommended. gives you a lot of knowledge, a lot of market information. Now, also a lot of clients asking about different sites you have. They provide you with a trader's insight. Now, I'm quite familiar with the trader's insight. The trader's insight is usually what it does is show you what clients, what clients have traded on. Um, so it's basically showing you how many people and the percentage, how many people bought the euro, how many people sold the euro. Okay. Now, on the trader's insight that you have on different binary option sites, I don't, I not to knock any sites or anything. It's not accurate enough. I mean, I've been doing this for 8 years. It's impossible that the information can be accurate. Again, because binary options, because you're trading in such small time frames, and you're trading against most of these sites are only getting the assets or trading on the market rates. You don't have access. You don't have access to update this information all the time. Again, you're trading every 15 minutes, 10 minutes. If you're taking my opinion on my trades, you really have to update this 5 minutes at a time. To say I bought it, I sold it, I bought it, I sold it, I bought it, I sold it. Okay, so again, it's never could be accurate because even the top binary option site who probably uses this trader's insight, it's only updated every 48 hours. Updated every 48 hours, top 24 hours. Again, you need this information to be as accurate as you can get it on such website that I have here, findbiz.com. Okay, again, because you need it every 15 minutes, every 5 minutes. You need to know exactly, okay, what everybody's doing. Everybody is trading, buying the NASDAQ, everybody is selling, because these are investors' opinion. The investors' opinion does affect the market, but it won't give you any insight on your trade if the information isn't accurate enough. So here's a website that I had to find, that again, it allows you, give you more traders insight, more different platform, different even more useful tools. You want to, go around it and, play around the site. You will even see here, you have the Forex pairs, which are down below on the website. But again, as far as the traders insight, the trader's choice, I recommend this particular website. Again, other websites we can use, Bloomberg, you can write them down. Market Watch is also another great site for Market Watch. Is also a great site just for forex trading, and also FX Street. Not just because you're trading forex. I'm just saying as far as trading on the forex pair that OptionsClick offer you. Okay, Market Watch, and let's see if we have it. FX Street. FX Street only deals with forex pairs, so again, it's good website to use if you just want information about the particular. And you have beauty about FX Street is it will give you even a support and a resistance of that particular currency. This is what I like to use. Okay, let's go now, because I was talking different strategies, fundamentals. As I was saying, the fundamental style of trading. Again, you want to base your trades on announcements that are coming out. You want to base your trades on announcements that are coming out, and so you'll be making educated trades, educated speculation. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and give at least 3 trades here. I'm going to tell you the strategy that I'm basing it on. We'll go a little deep into the strategy next week. We'll on part 2 of this particular webinar, we'll go into more deep on different strategies and familiar and taking advantage. But again, as far as I was saying at the beginning, you want to use these particular sites that I gave you to base your trades on. You want to make educated speculation. All it takes is 15-20 minutes to read, or to read a little more about the particular asset that you're trading, and you'll really take advantage of the market or the asset or your trade yourself. Okay, so what I do is right now, see, as you see, the market is already going haywire. We have a report that is coming out now. I think we have this doing this. One moment. Okay. That's basically, see, my trades are really going against me. Now, we're going to open 3 trades. Now, the idea with trading is basically trend recognizing. It's the simplest strategy that I can give. It's, as far as beginners trading on the platform. Now, it is pretty, if you're stick to the strategy, don't be greedy, stick to the strategy and really do what I say. On a good day, you can be 8 out of 10. On a bad day, you can be 6 out of 10. Okay. Now, or, so we'll be doing this here. Let's go to Euro USD. You have what we call a trend. A trend is basically the motion of the market when it's a steep motion of the market is pretty much recognize the direction that it's going. Okay. For instance, this right here. This will be your trend here. It's not as steep as you would want it to be, but it is a trend if you were trading on all day. If you was trading for the last hour, that'll be an upward trend. This is what you're basically looking at. Okay. Now, so what you're doing is basically recognizing the trend. You're saying, okay, that's an upward trend. Okay, we go back and we find some downward trends. Just